repository on our local system, let's add a new file. For that, I'm going to use the bash commands to create a simple text file. So type echo space and in double quotes the contents of our file. Test get quick start demo. And then two greater than signs that pipes the contents of the echo command into a start.txt file. After that, press enter. Now we can see the file in our working directory, ls. Also, we can use the cat command to display the contents of that file, cat space start.txt. Press enter. Now let's see what Git thinks about this file. Git space status. Press enter. Now when we do that, Git says that we have an untracked file. An untracked file is just a file in our working directory that hasn't been added to Git yet. Our change, that is, our new file, is in our working directory. We haven't specifically told Git about it yet. So let's take care of that now with Git's add command. Git space add space and then the name of the file, start.txt. Press enter. Now if we do a git space status, Git tells us there's a new file in the staging area, which Git describes as changes to be committed. So, now that our file is in the staging area awaiting the commit, we haven't committed anything yet. We can still back out the change from the staging area and not impact Git's history in any way. The staging area is designed to allow you to build up several related changes so they can be committed as a single atomic unit. Now, let's move forward by committing the new file into the repository. Git space commit space -m space and in double quotes a commit message, adding start text file. Then press enter. Great. Now if I do a git space status, Git tells us that we're back in a clean working directory state, and that our master branch is ahead of origin master by one commit. So, now the new file has been moved from the staging area into the local repository. Since there are no other pending changes, once the commit happens, Git marks the working directory as clean.